Okay, here we go. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on the bell too so you get post notifications for my unboxing videos. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Theragun, which is a massage gun that makes the Hitachi one kind of look like a child's toy. They kind of just send these to influencers. I paid full price. For mine, they didn't send me one. It came in a really big box. I got it from Best Buy. I was going to do curbside pickup, but it wasn't available, so I got it shipped, and it arrived to me in the blizzard. Luckily, nothing happened to it, so that's all cool. It has a security seal tape, which is just regular tape. The box is a lot larger than I thought. Like I said, it seems to be kind of sliding around in there. It seems like the box on the inside is maybe half the size. So, I mean, yeah, let's just get this guy open. Ow, fuck. I just cut my finger on these scissors. Fucking Christ, man. Bleeding everywhere. You'll see, I was right. I was right all along. This is a bit ludicrous. God, I wish I had a Band-Aid. Here it is. I got the Theragun Prime. I don't know. I think I was just listening to a podcast and I was already thinking about getting one. I'm anticipating a very long, lonely winter with lots of sore and tight muscles. Not that I work out or anything. I'm just, I'm actually made of wood. I decided to get the Prime instead of the Pro ones because I'm not a professional at anything really, and it seemed like the right price. It was on sale for $249 from $299. I got it on Best Buy. It shipped within it got to my house within 3 or 4 days, which is cool. Because it's the holiday season, and it's always tough to rely on yield shipping. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. Trying to get blood all over it. Remember? Okay. Ooh. It smells weird. Okay, but this is the inside of the box. You can see. The packaging's cool. It's very simple. You know what you're getting. So it looks like this is the main thing. The Theragun itself. Do I have to charge this first? God damn it. So you get the one head. And then it seems to have more attachments. So you got one thing here. This looks a little more round. Like a clown nose. I wonder if I can get this down. It doesn't really fit over my nose. But, you can kind of imagine that would be funny. Smaller head. This one, I don't even want to know what you do with this. It looks like one of those incense cones that the commies light in their apartments. This is probably the charger. And there's okay, so the pouch was in the big opening here, and you can see it looks like it fits, kind of. Yeah, that'll fit. That'll definitely fit. And then there's a small like instruction manual, I guess. Let me screenshot that actually, 1 second. Okay, and then this opens up. Therabody, okay. Don't know what that means. This is like suddenly there's flashcards everywhere. Okay, this says Therabody, our story. I don't care. Theragun, my story. Again, don't care. Ooh, a sticker. What a fun surprise. I don't know. I'm not really a sticker guy, but I'll think of something. Oh, this is for the app. This has a QR code on it, so I'll probably hold on to it. Okay. Here looks like the only instructions you really get. Well, there's a little booklet too, actually. The booklet just kind of tells you how to use it and stuff. This seems very easy to use, but this. Press the center button to turn on your Theragun device. Open the Therabody app to connect your device via Bluetooth. Start and stop your device manually. I think I have to download the fucking app to get this thing going. Also, do you guys see this? There's a strip stain on the top of this. It's like not even, it's like fucked up. Do you see that right here? That's not cool. Oh, it's working. I just had to hold the button down for longer. Whoa. Okay, this thing fucking rocks. So I have to say I've used like a very intense version of this my friend had, and it was loud and scary. And this is much easier and more pleasant to use. Wow, it really feels amazing on the neck. Hold on, let me... Okay. Just kind of want to see how it, like, you know, functions. So there's all sorts of techniques, I guess, you can use. Like, you float and then you, like, go in. I wonder if I can figure out how to raise this up. Okay. So I'm on level 3 now, as in level 1 before. Okay. It feels really good. I'm gonna try the lower back because I carry a lot of tension there. Oh, yep. Oh. Wow, okay. I feel a little like euphoric. So I feel like I should put some damn clothes back on. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot. I actually really can't wait to do I sound lighter? I feel lighter already. It's just like the vibrations, especially like, you know, in my neck, I always get very sore, like back here, all the way down. I don't know if those are ear traps. I think they're called. I'm gonna get the app because the app, I think, tells you how to use it properly so you don't hurt yourself. And I know everything's connected, and the lower back pain might not just be your lower back muscles, but like your hip flexors or whatever. Was it worth the $249 so far after 30 seconds of using it? I say yes. The size is like manageable too. Like you can put this in like a weekender bag. Just bring one attachment. I don't know if I'm gonna use, like I said, the cone. I don't even know what the fuck you would do with this thing, but I'm gonna find out. But the difference, these two seem to be similar, although this one's just a little smaller. I'll probably just leave this one on. I don't have any like specific pains, you know what I mean? So, or well, I do. It's just, but it's general actually. It's just everything hurts. I'll turn it on again so you guys can hear that. Okay. Well, let me know if you guys have any questions you want answered in the next video. And if you're wondering why my skin kind of looks good today, even though I'm like very hungover, it's this stuff. It's very light and it really soaks in, and it's not like greasy or oily. It's like day 2 of me trying that, so you know I have a very old MacBook Pro, so it's from 2015. The camera's not so great anymore, so you know, whatever. Hope this was worth watching. I know it's a little lengthy and not very entertaining, but I did take my, you know, I was wearing a tank top for a minute, so that's all you're gonna get. Yeah. Hope you guys have a nice holiday, and just try to stay alive, you know. Okay. And, you know, like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.